how to be guided on Google Maps by your spirit guides. I'm going to share with you exactly how to do this, and I will share the story about what happened when I did this yesterday. So this is guided Ibiza. I'm here for 23 days and all my decisions are made by my glasses or maybe a pendulum. And if you haven't watched yesterday's video, it was a really aha moment for me, the level of support and love I felt when I started asking all the questions and asking for them to help me with my decisions. So, Google Maps. I'm gonna tilt the camera down and you will see it. And I will show you exactly how to do this. So now you can see, let's do it like, yeah, that's good enough. So let's imagine that this now is your phone. I can't use my phone because I'm recording on my phone. But this pad is your smartphone. It says Google Maps on top there. So this is now your phone. What you do is that you take out your phone and you open Google Maps. And you find an area on the maps. It's easier to find this if you use the satellite images. Then you can see it more clearly. Just click satellite. And you are now in an area where you want to be guided. Or you can have a much bigger image and you can ask them to find an area. But yesterday I was in Ibiza town, right? And I didn't want to go anywhere else. I wanted to be guided in Ibiza town. So I just had the frame of Ibiza town on Google Maps. Now, the first thing I did, I asked them, do you want to show me something, in Ibiza town? And I got a yes on my pendulum like that. It swings back and forth. For me, no is like this. So I got a yes, and I opened Google Maps, Ibiza town, and here's how you do it. You put your phone on the table, you sit down, and you tilt your phone like this, a little bit to the side. And then you ask for the pendulum. You need to use a pendulum to do this. It doesn't matter what kind of pendulum, it needs to swing. And you ask your guides, or whatever you want to call this force, to swing towards the place they want to show you on the map, right? So you tilt your phone and you start at the corner here. Can you see? Yeah, start here. And then it starts swinging. Now it's just for pretend, right? And it goes back and forth from the side here. And you put your finger where it stops, where the line goes from here to here. And you keep your finger there. And then you shift your phone to the other side. And you do it from this side. You ask again, show me the place you want to take me to. And now you can see it swings like this. And this was the earlier line. Now it swings like this and it crosses there. And now what you do is you put your finger there and you zoom in. And now you're closer to the thing, right? And you go back. And you do it again from this side. Show me the place, please. And it swings, and where it ends on your phone, you put your finger, hold your finger there, shift your phone around, do it again. Now you will see it crosses there from the earlier line, and you put your finger there and you zoom in. And now you're really close and you can do it again as many times as you want to. So from the side of the phone to the side on your phone, and that creates an X. X is the spot. And I'll put the camera back up. And now you have the destination. If you put your finger, hold your finger on where you'll be guided to, you can get the option to save the destination, and that's what I do. I just copy the destination on my phone and I put it into notes or something. If I don't want to be guided straight away, if I want to be guided straight away, I just click go, and to walk there. And yesterday it was like 15 minutes walk, or you can save it in notes and just click the link. That's the link to that destination. So I don't know if I kind of discovered this way to do it, and for me this is the most accurate way. There's a lot of ways to do it. This is if you want to Google this, it'll be named something like dowsing on a map or something like that. But this with Google Maps, so you can zoom in, and when you do this like 2 or 3 times, shift it 2 or 3 times, you'll get to the end of the map, which is like a corner of a building, right? So it's really cool. And then you can end it by asking, you look at the space, the place on the thing, and you ask, is this the place you want to show me? And you get a yes or no to make sure it's the correct one. What do you think? Kind of cool, yeah? A thing on a string works. I like this because I can use it in public. People still stare, but it's not a pendulum which make them stare even more. Now, let me share with you what happened yesterday. I did the thing that I now explained to you, and the destination, when I zoomed in, was just a street, in the middle of a street. And I thought, I don't know about this. It didn't feel really successful. But I thought, hey, I got a confirmation. They said, yes, this is it. So I went there, and there was just a street there. So I kind of went, oh no, this is a failure, and that's fine. It doesn't work every time. But I looked on the other side of the street, and I've never seen that before. What I'm about to tell you now might be my imagination, and I might label this experiment yesterday as a failure and color it red. I haven't decided yet. But anyway, I didn't have an intention with what I wanted to see, like a category. I just asked, show me something. And on the other side of the street was this massive club. In Ibiza they have all these clubs. I've never seen one like that before. It was quite cool. So that was an experience. That was positive. And then I walked around the corner, and then I saw, well, I didn't see it until I saw the video I produced yesterday. In fact, you can see it in the background. That building, I didn't know I didn't realize, is a picture I used many, many years ago to try to manifest going to Ibiza town. Ibiza, I've never been there then. It's a cool architecture design building, and all the floors and the balconies are different colors. It's like an iconic design, I think. And it occurred to me, oh my God, I used to stare at this picture and dream of going to Ibiza, and now I'm here. That also might be a coincidence, but the walk also was beautiful. It was along the harbor there with all the big yachts and the cool boats and everything. So the whole walking experience was quite nice. I don't know what I was expecting. Maybe something more mind-blowing, but when I look back at it, it was a nice experience. So was this a failure or not? I'm not sure, as I said. But test it out for yourself, yeah? Just tilt your phone, do it from this side, hold your finger here, switch it around, do it from this side, and then where this crosses, right? You zoom in, and then you got your destination. So if you want to learn how to do this, just check out the links below. I also keep track of how well I'm doing, also in links down below. So yeah, hopefully this was helpful to you. Still new to me to ask so many questions to my guides every day. So I'll report back to you tomorrow about what is happening with this experiment on Ibiza. Okay, see you then.